Hello, welcome to Mia Platform Video Pills. The low-code and no-code versions of fast data are the new standards that leverage the power of configurations to overcome coding complexity and fast data setup. Thanks to no-code, you will have the possibility to configure your project with a few clicks. We already configured the project to have a system of record called delivery, which contains two projections. The first will contain the client's data, such as ID, name, email, phone number, address, city, and the state. While, in the order, which contains the info of the order, you can find the order ID, the name, the price, the date, and the registry ID of the client that made the purchase. Now, you want to get a single view that we already partially created, called order history, for which every client will give us back the array of the orders list. As you can see, by clicking on the arrow, you will see the registry ID, name, city, state, and the array of the orders, which is a schema. For each, you can see the ID of the order, the price, the name, and the date. Now, how do you configure the single view using the aggregation no code? You need to go to Microservices, push on Create a Microservice from Marketplace, look for the service in the search bar, and click on Single View Creator Low Code. You will add order history to the name, and you will add the same name to the default configurations. Push the blue button Create. Once created, go to the left and click on Single View. Push on the arrow on the right to enter in the single view. On the bar under Order History, click on the tab Single View Creators, and select it from the accordion and click on the blue button Add Single View Creator. Now you need to configure it by choosing the schema that we already made during the projections creation. From the accordion, choose the schema. Then go to the bar and click on Aggregation. Choose the base projection. We said at the beginning that starting point is the client, so we choose registry as base projection. Now the no-code screen will open and will allow to map all the fields of the single view that you can see on the left with the fields of the projection. So you need to select the dependency. The registry ID is dependent on registry projection. The field we need to use to map it is registry ID. We will do the same for the others. Orders is an array of objects, so it is dependent on orders. You need to add a new dependency. So click on Edit Dependencies, continue by clicking on Add Dependency. We need to begin from the source registry and arrive at the target order. Add dependency and save to continue. Now you can start mapping the fields of every object of this array of orders with the individual ones of the projection. So the ID of every order within the array of the single view is dependent on the projection order, which is mapped with the field order ID. Same thing for all the other fields. In this way, the aggregation of the single view is done. If you want to see the result, you need to go to the toggle switch below Advanced Mode to see the JSON, the config map, that is to say the no-code configurator that has generated it. Try it with Mia Platform v12.